little friends. Today we're going to have fun with numbers. Are you ready to play and learn? Let's go. Let's learn our first 5 numbers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Counting objects. Can you try drawing them with me? Let's do it together. Now let's count things. I will draw 1 sun, 2 apples, 3 flowers, 4 stars, and 5 hearts. Superb! Let's count them again together. Matching game. Can you match the number with the right number of objects? Where does 2 go? Yes, with 2 apples. Basic addition. Now let's add numbers. What is 1 plus 1? That's right, 2. 1 apple plus 1 apple makes 2 apples. Woo! Interactive quiz. It's quiz time. How many stars did we draw? Yes, 4 stars. Great job. Awesome. You did amazing today. We learned numbers, counted objects, and even did some adding. I'm so proud of you. You earned Happy Smile. Remember, numbers are everywhere. Try counting things at home too. See you next time for more fun learning.